help people search for and find materials in the Murphy Library's Special Collections and ARC archives, we have compiled a written research guide with instructions. The main way to find archival materials is through the UWL Murphy Library Catalog, Search at UW. Library catalog entries are short descriptions of items in the library's collection. In a library catalog, you can use keyword searching to find resources on a specific topic that you can then seek out in person for research use. In Search at UW, notice that you have the option to limit your search to just archives and special collections by using the drop-down menu after the search bar. However, since this is a shared catalog across the entire UW system, you will also likely see search results from special collections and archives at other UW schools. If you want to limit your findings to just materials available at UWL, after searching you can use the Available at My Library limiter found on the left-hand side of the screen under the heading Show Only. If you are looking for information on a very specific topic, though, it might be a good idea to start out searching the entire UW system because, as you may remember, WHS materials at other ARCs can often be transferred to our facility for use here. One thing to keep in mind is not everything we have can be found in Search at UW because a small amount of our materials have not been cataloged yet, like our photograph collection and UWL vertical files. However, we do have paper lists of these items that you can look at if you visit in person. An online catalog that you can use to search for just archival manuscript collections is the University of Wisconsin Digital Collections Archival Resources in Wisconsin Descriptive Finding Aids. It includes materials at our facility, WHS, and other ARC archives. While these materials are also cataloged in Search at UW, it's a good idea to search on this website too, because Search at UW only includes short descriptions of manuscript collections and not their entire finding aid. So, if you only use Search at UW, you might miss out on a lot of potential records. For example, if you searched for any of the topics that I mentioned during the Mettinger papers earlier using Search at UW, the collection would not show up because those topics are listed in the Finding Aids content list. However, if you search for those same topics in the Archival Resources in Wisconsin website, the Mettinger papers would appear because that catalog searches the entire finding aid and not just a short description of the collection.